In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline an image in Canva. If you want to make a YouTube thumbnail stand out, help a product photo pop on a busy design, or create a clean sticker style graphic, adding an outline around an image can make a huge difference. The good news is that Canva makes this process much easier than trying to trace edges manually or using messy shadow effects that never quite look right. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. First, open Canva and load the design where you want to add the outline. From your Canva home screen, find the project you've been working on and open it so it appears on your main editing canvas. This gives you a clear workspace and makes it easier to focus on the image you want to edit without affecting the rest of your layout. Next, bring your image onto the canvas if it isn't already there. Use the Uploads panel on the left side to select your image and place it into your design. Once the image is selected, go to the toolbar at the top and click Edit Photo. For the outline effect to look clean and professional, the subject should be separated from its background first. Inside the Edit panel, choose BG Remover to automatically cut out the background and isolate your subject. After that, stay in the Edit Photo area and look for the Shadows effect. This is where Canva's outline trick really happens. Click Shadows to open the available options, then choose Glow. At first, this may look more like a soft shadow than a true outline, but don't worry. With a few adjustments, you can turn it into a crisp border. Now it's time to refine the effect. Set the blur all the way down to 0 so the edge becomes sharp instead of fuzzy. Then increase the opacity to 100% so the outline is fully solid. After that, choose your preferred outline color. White is a popular choice because it stands out well on most backgrounds, but you can use any color that fits your design. Finally, adjust the size slider to control how thick you want the outline to appear. A thinner outline often looks subtle and clean, while a thicker one can create a stronger sticker effect. Once your outline looks right, move the image around the canvas and check its placement. Canva's alignment guides can help you center it or line it up neatly with other elements in your design. When everything looks good, click Share in the top right corner, then choose Download. Select PNG as the file type, and if you want only the outlined subject without a visible background, enable transparent background. Then click Download to export your finished image, and that's it. You now have a clean, professional image outline in Canva, ready to use in thumbnails, promos, and graphic designs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next